Hi, this is Tommy, and I wanted to share an interesting component of Simply Piano. Many people know that Simply Piano is just another tool that we can use to learn how to play piano. One of the things that I find interesting about the program is the ability to learn how to play piano using sheet music, and the facility and the number of songs that are available seems to be quite vast. So inside of Simply Piano you can select play, and you can have access to a large number of songs that continually get released, they get updated. And when you select a song that you would like to play, first thing I want to bring to your attention, even before you select the song, is that there are little tags, yellow, blue, green, and sort of purplish tags. These identify the different levels of the song. There are always different variations of a song. And so the yellow is ESS, which is essential, and INT is intermediate, and then pre is, much higher, is pre-advanced. So we have essentials, intermediate, and pre-advanced. And so you can pick a song, and there's also, I'm going to try to find a song that is not already in my library. Here's a song that is not in my library. And you can add it to your library. Once you select the song, you can add it to your library by hitting the plus button, or you could simply go into the app. So you could hit the plus button and it'll be added to your library. And so now the sheet music for that song is available to you. You can choose which version of the sheet music you would like to play. If you want to play pre-advanced, then you just tap it and that pre-advanced version gets loaded. I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that you've got all the musical notes and fingertips, the finger hints that show you which fingers you are to begin playing a phrase with, as well as along the top of the program some very interesting items. The first item that's truly super interesting is that you have over on your left hand side you have a listen button. And so you can listen to the song, and in some cases you can listen to a portion of a phrase. You can listen to the phrases independently, and you can listen to the full song. So when you tap listen, you'll be able to hear and see all the different phrases that you want to learn. So that's very interesting. And another thing that's interesting, other than the listen, is there's a button called Teach Me, which is sometimes available, especially when you're dealing with the essential parts. Teach Me walks you back through the Simply Piano lessons. And another super interesting idea is this one there's a control that says auto scroll. And what happens with auto scrolls, you can lower the speed setting to its lowest setting and then press play. And as you're pressing play, after you press play, the music will begin to scroll as you play and as you're learning the song. And at any time, if you feel that it's going too fast, just press pause and let yourself catch up to it. And so those are the major interesting ideas about how to use the sheet music inside of Simply Piano. It's a great tool to help you learn new songs. You can also use your finger to drag up and down the sheet music as you see fit. So if you want to practice a specific section, you can do that. If you want to listen to hear what that phrase sounds like, you can also always go back to listen. So this is a very interesting, cool way to learn a new song, and I wish you well in your practice.